कभी सोचा है कि ये इंस्टीट्यूशनल ट्रेडर्स कैसे एंटर करते एंड इतना बड़ा मूव कैप्चर कैसे करते? ऑब्वियसली सोचते होंगे कि हाउ कैन दे मेक प्रॉफिट एंड द रिटेलर्स आर लूजिंग, because that's what I'm going to show you. So I would say, it gives you an idea how the institutional traders and when do they enter the market. So let me break it down to you, and I'll show you on the screen that how we can also do the same. First thing is you go to 30 या 1 hour time frame में आप जाओ. Okay, and so I'll just mark it here from Monday to Friday. Okay, now since I'm doing it on Ethereum, I'll take the whole week from Sunday to Sunday itself. Okay, so this is my weekly chart. So this one indicator is called the fixed range volume profile. So you just click on it, mark it from here till here. So this is what the indicator does for you. So it shows your volume average high and volume average low and the POC. So POC is the deal breaker here. This POC tells you when exactly the institutional traders enter the market and exited the market, and when again the movement, you see this large candles popping up from here when it get that retracement on that level. यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली बताता है कि कैसे करना है. सो यू सी हियर, जितनी बार भी रिट्रेस हुआ है वहाँ से जंप देखा है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे दिख रहा है बड़ा मूव इवन वी कैन कैप्चर. So what the market does is now basically they wait for the retail traders to enter, and then when they enter they exit. Correct? The institutional trader, what they do is to liquidate the retail traders. They take out, they sell their assets, and then that's when the dump happens. करेक्ट. सो ये इंडिकेटर बेसिकली बताता है आप कौन से रेंज में, कौन से वॉल्यूम में, कहाँ पे ट्रेड कर सकते हो. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट indicators that I have been using to get a precise entry. Try this on your setup and let me know what you guys think.